This is us sitting on our porch. Woo, pretty. And we're like in Niagara Falls.
I know you like me. Look at this.
Hi!
Wow!
David Havoc, I love you, just so you know.
What?
If this makes it onto YouTube because I'm dead, I love David Havoc.
I love you, Alex Gascard and William Beckett. Hey, Mom.
Hey! Let's start flying into my phone and come in.
Okay.
Okay, Mama.
Go back to singing at Carrie Underwood, Mom.
Oh,
I think you guys come in. I think you should go back to listen to Carrie Underwood.
Warren, you would have been called that.
We would have been dead. We're getting famous. Did you get that on tape?
It's still cameraing.
Alright, well, turn it up. The electromagnetic fields are going to be like, wait there!